Direct spring pressure relief valves are a perfect fit for many overpressure protection applications across the oil and gas, power, and chemical industries. However, there are some applications for which a direct spring valve may have been improperly specified. These situations can lead to frequent failures, costly repairs, and dangerous operations. Valve chatter can be caused by high inlet line loss or an oversized valve. It can damage piping and lead to frequent and costly valve repair and replacement of critical components like the bellows, nozzle, and disc. High operating pressure or a damaged seat can cause a direct spring valve to leak, resulting in unwanted emissions and costly product loss. BHGE's Consolidated 2900 Series pilot-operated safety relief valve is your solution to these challenging applications. With seat tightness up to 98% of set pressure, minimal blowdown, remote sensing capability, and a variety of modular options and accessories, these valves minimize product loss and ensure a stable relief cycle. Common accessories include field test connection, auxiliary filter options, manual blowdown valve, and backflow preventer. No other pilot-operated valve has center-to-face dimensions that are compatible with API 526 direct spring valves. That's what makes the Consolidated 2900 particularly valuable. We designed it to fit where other pilot valves won't, including Crosby J-Series, Lesser 526, and Ferris 2600. This gives you the flexibility to easily replace your direct spring valve while avoiding the cost and hassle of piping modifications. If you have a Consolidated 1900 direct spring valve in one of these demanding applications, your local Consolidated Green Tag Center can easily upgrade it to a 2900 pilot-operated valve with a simple off-the-shelf conversion kit. Whether replacing or converting your direct spring valve to the Consolidated 2900 Series pilot-operated valve, you'll get valuable cost savings and operational advantages. Installation cost can be $5,000 to $15,000 lower per valve compared to a typical pilot valve that usually requires piping modifications. With modulating action and minimal blowdown, the 2900 can save you up to $50,000 per release by only relieving the minimum amount required to protect your system. In applications with weight and space limitations, the 2900 is ideal because it's 15% smaller than the average direct spring valve. Make sure you have the right valve for the right application. The Consolidated 2900 offers you the premium performance of a pilot valve without the extra cost or hassle of piping modifications when replacing direct spring API 526 valves. Contact your local Consolidated Green Tag Center today to take advantage of this opportunity. Consolidated, best under pressure. Learn more at valves.bhge.com.